See, now we're live on the YouTube. So now we buy a brand new second-hand BMW. We're gonna see if it's worth the money. Will it start, Chris? I don't know. Alright, so I think I got a really good flip for you guys. Now, in order for you to find a deal, sometimes you gotta put the work in, you gotta put the time into it to make it a deal. There's a little bit of blood on the airbag here. Oh god, there's a lot of blood on this section. Yeah. There was no biohazard sticker in here.
Yeah. Touch it?
I'm not touching it. Does it open? Got about 3 guys out here trying to open the hood. No, 4 guys. This is a 2011 BMW 328i, and it is the X-Drive. It has about 152,000 kilometers on it. It has a small accident on it. It is a clean title, not salvage, so you don't have to do any of the salvage rebuild paperwork. If you don't know the difference between salvage, rebuild, and that stuff, you could check one of those videos out that I did explaining what salvage and rebuild stuff is, okay? Now, in the front of the car, the bumper is damaged, the front left headlight, the 2 little BMW grills. The hood is workable, but for the price of a used hood, you might want to just replace the hood. And other than that, the rest of the body is pretty much perfect. A really clean body, okay? Now, the airbags did deploy, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Most times when people see that, they think it's a big deal, and repair costs went way up, you know, when you see airbags. But that is not always the case, okay? Airbag for that vehicle could cost you about $400 for the driver airbag, and then for the side skirts are probably $80 to $90. You can definitely get those airbags used, okay? So keep that in mind. You do not have to buy new airbags. That's what the records are there for. All right. V8. Famous oil leaks anywhere?
Rocker covers, yeah, leaking.
Oh, yeah, valve cover leaking, there's oil in there.
Yeah, big time.
Goddamn BMW. No power.
Nothing, eh? Oh, because it got an accident. It blew
The fuse.
The battery thing.
The battery fuse?
Yeah, can you pull the key out of the...
No, it's stuck there.
I mean, just like the top part of the key? The steel part of the key?
Yeah, there's the key. Chris, you gotta go through here. There you go, get it.
Maybe grab a jumper cables. It blew the connection from here to there. That's why if I put maybe the jumper cable here to there or
like
ground,
yeah.
and just bypass that thing.
Here.
There? On the body?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? Put it in there.
Big boom.
I've seen cars catch fire in Canada, so.
Probably seen more catch fire in Jamaica.
I know, right?
That's true.
Bush fire.
See, in the blood we go. See. But at least we have power.
Yeah, we just need more power.
Order new battery.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Get a battery. Now, this car typically retails. If you do a little quick market research, there's probably not too many on the market, but generally speaking, a 2011, if about 152K, you can get $13,000 for it. The car sells for about $13,000 plus taxes. That is a great deal for you, because if you were to buy this car between that range of 5 and 6, you basically drive in or own a $13,000 for half the price. But obviously you got to put the airbags in, you got to put the bumper in. There is no structural repair on that car, so if you're a little bit handy and you buy those parts, especially if you get the black parts, you'll be able to do it yourself. You'll be able to pop those parts in yourself. It's not that complicated to pop the airbags in and that kind of stuff. You will have to take it to a shop, however, to probably reset the airbag lights for you because you probably don't have the scanners and stuff to do that. But it will be a chip flip. You will be in to the car a lot less than $13,000, okay? Even if you in the car for 10 G's after fixing it, you're driving a $13,000 car, so you save $3,000, okay? But the goal is obviously if you can be into the car probably about 8 grand when it's all said and done, then you really win it, okay? Now because mine have a little bit of an accident history, after I fix it, then I'll be a little bit more competitive, so maybe I might be closer to 12, save you about $1,000 because it is still a clean title car. But it all depends because the market shifts a lot. What's available on the market at the time of me selling it. If at the time of me selling it, those for 13 grand has about 170K. I got better kilometers, accident history. I can still probably get 13 grand for it, okay? This battery is 50-50.
Shit. Yeah. Put her in, see if she rolls.
Yeah, baby. And she starts. Oh, here comes the smoke. Woo! Oh my God. Well, it's a $260 cable. That would be nice.
You might not need it because it's running now. Otherwise the ground is cut off.
Let me see.
What's the kilometers on now?
152.
Oh, that's fucking good.
Oh. It's been sitting for a while. It's seized up here. Bruh.
Is the other mirror fucking?
No, it's okay. But, there you go. Okay, shift. So they move all this plastic probably just to get it in.
Get it out into gear.
Yeah.
Out of gear.
Yeah. Let's see. Well, it's moving. Let's go on first little BMW drive. Oh yeah. Keys out. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's a good deal or if you're interested in buying this flip. And I still have my red Cruiser here working on. So now I reveal the color of the car. It was going back and forth for whether I should keep it black or not, but I decided to go ahead and paint it just to give it an overall better look and let it stand out a little bit more, okay? So I'm focusing on that flip for now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.